Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I looked over Jordan and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. If you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell my friends I'm coming too, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Sometimes I'm up and sometimes I'm down, coming for to carry me home. But still my soul feels heavily bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home.
Talofa, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday here in Samoa. Special for Talofa to our Ainga members. In case anyone was wondering, what is the Ainga members? I keep saying. So on YouTube, there is a member subscription, which is I call it the Ainga members, and for only $4.99 a month, you can be a part of that. And part of the Ainga member subscription gets you guys with behind the scenes content, videos that are only viewed for members, but also some other perks and stuff. So if you want to be a part of that, give it a join. But yeah, guys, I'm just getting started on I wanted to start it early today. Actually woke up at 3:30, slept again, and then no, I actually dozed off. Then woke up at 4:30, and now I'm here in the Mkuka starting at 5. So yeah, yesterday I joined the village. So as you guys remember, I am a Matai now with the family, and went to the village for no yesterday. And one of the other things was Matais, have to be more proactive in getting to church. So lead by example. So which is why I thought, si ikaw va iya kau pulale va ve pingi de umure si kam fa iya nga lo loku fo nga umur kay mi nga fa kam mi kele ra kam fa va ve look. So well, fingers crossed we can make it a church today, but if not, we can start properly next week. Plus so my goal is fangangi for the faith kalai, so I need to. I'm not sure if I can still make it a church, but that's why I wanted to do an early start. So hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. We'll definitely try our best to make it a church. But yeah, see you soon. Alright, guys. See there? So one of the disadvantages on Bedford or starting early is because no one's awake. and that means it's a solo umu until people come, until the family comes. So most of the chores, if I ika hui ngat, onga hui la wufi va whairi But yeah, now that the taro's done, I need to get the luau's done. But if you should kolopa, e o ai pop. So we're gonna go look for it. Titi, oh, where? Kashu e ka kolopa. All right, guys. So just a bit of an update. Over pe puselo lumu kaimini, but I thought the valu pengi o popo pe kaula kalaka lo la Ko hapusa I rola ia. But I wanted to show you guys this akufafi. So even though le kele kakufafi, le pusa ele mo, but I was on my way yesterday, mo kapis. And I came across this family, and I thought look akufi. And I saw from far away, it was probably their only akufafi, because I saw, the mother and the father and all, three or four kids sitting around the akufafi. And then over here, sure, sure, ngal pole la coffee. I found muy moisia inga huingale. So it was $20 la coffee. And I thought, so that's the only reason why I bought it, because I saw the father and the mother and the kids, and I thought, it was probably their only akufafi. But yeah, reason why I bought it, even though they makwa kilaka coffee. So ako pe popo. Kau kafawaka. And then pusalo muka. We're pretty much on schedule. Just kalo and luau. I've got some other stuff I want to get on though, but if go we lay out ke me kawa ya no fiala me. Yeah, see ave maloi, and they'll help me out. Also, I wanted to show you guys solar lights. See, I've got, so this is 2 out of 4 light bulbs I have, and they're all connected to this power solar power generator. So I usually charge this using sunlight. They've got solar panels. This are solar panels. But see, saving money on electricity using solar power. That's the best way to go. Alright fam, so we're about halfway through the coconuts. But as you can see, kafaka. So ela pusharu mokam, and I'll probably go through the science behind it. But this is what we're doing. So we've got I'll show you what we're doing with that once we get there. But yeah, see push it. Alright guys, so we start with the makaleafi. So the makaleafi usually consists of 4 coconut shells. If you have coconut shells, sometimes you don't. But for today's umu, we've got coconut shells, so we'll use it. And usually they're sort of placed in a triangular formation as such. So you see there? And then we throw in a coconut on top. So that's the 4. And then all the other coconut shells, you just add them alongside like that. And yeah, so when you mudafi, you put it under here, and then it burns. And then when we start doing the actual fafia around the omu, there's no right way or wrong way. Usually what I've seen my dad do is usually the large chunks are around the makaleafi, and then you start to get to smaller chunks and then smaller wood towards the top. Now the reason being is that if you have the smaller ones on top, remember, you're adding rocks on top of the umu. So that actually adds weight on top, and you want the big chunks at the bottom, so that as it burns, it's slow to burn. But if it's the small chunks, the small firewood at the bottom, it means that it'll probably collapse quicker than usual, and then all the rocks come falling off. So that's why you have the big chunks at the bottom, so that they burn slower, and the other ones, the less big ones on top. But yeah, I'll show you. Alright, so at this stage you don't want to overcrowd the fire in case you block the oxygen and then it doesn't burn. But just monitor it slowly, and as the flame starts to build up, then we start packing in the more wood and more fire burning material. We've got the large chunks of wood here on the side, and I've got some other ones from there. I'm just going to slowly build around it. at this stage we're just using the coconut husk. So what I usually do is just plug the holes where the fire is coming out with a bit of coconut husk. And now we add on the rocks to the top. So big ones on top, medium sized ones just on the side, but we want the big rocks to get hot first. Alright, so see over there just taking care of the rest of the rocks. While I'm gonna get to finishing off the coconuts. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you can hear that there's a hissing sound coming out of the umu, and that's because the wood for the umu still has a lot of moisture in it. So you can see that white stuff coming out of that piece of wood there. That's the moisture in the wood. So not ideal, but you know, as you can see, the smaller ones on top are heating up, but the large ones on the bottom burn slow. So as a result, as the umu heats up, the bottom structure still retains, while the most of the small ones on top slowly collapse inwards, and then yeah, it gets heated. Alright guys, so jeez. Right there, like Luau, and then we'll move on to the other stuff. See what I meant with the umu, in that all of the middle collapse, while the big chunks of fafia we put on the side holds everything in place. So it sort of tips everything towards the middle where the heat source is. Sorry guys, but we see going got a bit cluttered and hurried up there, procrastinated, but it will go 30 minutes, asalum, and then we'll check just before we go to church. Also fair. Also, kemirenga au mai ole au ngai fafulu, au mai ifiru. So le like ka fule wa ma mo kam 2 birds 1 stone. Moto anga ka ko efficiency, 2 birds 1 stone. So if we see ka lo kia lo kong supo ma mo. Then after that, so I'm quite spot on. I go still make it a church. Make it a church. So we've got about 15 minutes for Ilum, but also the soup is coming along really well. The only thing left, my wife's doing the supper sui at the moment. The only thing left here for so I'm thinking we'll just defrost the fish. Sounds like a good plan? Yeah? Thumbs up, give me 5. So Ui, ava ia se funga ia. Koe keu ka mai mo sia sa. Malu rua kwa le office of nga fa ia. Ya fa yo maka me se office. I sai so ia ko ai. Sai se de kere ngalo ko au fa. Ai nga di fa mo kara kam. Ka manga fa ka wi me ngora wa. Ai amalu rua. Ia re ia re. Ai ka ke ma fo inga de. Le si nga ko pula ma le si nga ko pula. Ya lava le ia. Nga ka ifa. Na faida o ka mai ai wa. Ni ro ko me ai le si ka nga ko pula. Ai fa ko ile o ka ika nga fa nga ko mo le. Ko ika nga fa ka. Checking out. 5 more minutes for ilo mo mo kam. Ano mo lo pese melo. So fikala cause Eva mala yung sa mga kele kasi fu alo kasi mas pulusukas aga kumawanga le afal sa mga kele mlak ko mo sa ko mangay so I think we're doing pretty good. Afay nga la afal fa sa ko ifa ko makanga valu kalo lima wingala si kap kom fay le siasa e alar karku ko ifo la fuele mo kam.
No matter what you're trying to do, you can't deny the truth. No. choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say.
Alright, with a lady wakama. See the pork rib there?
And what the people choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say.
Mamalo ka minsanga. Si fu e flum fu e luau kongot pikonga. Soli. Ai e ko ngai makala. Ya. Ai fa de dei. Ya. Sa fa fu lenga. We'll quickly check on the whakawhakapua. Man, it smells amazing. Oh, just look at that, man. I mean, it is. Oh, jeez. Siki kule mori ele her ka ko ai le po vilar ka ko me I ko makanga. Oh, straight off the bone, ale me so. Wee. Ke fa ya ko yo ka ko si ka ko man. Ka ko wow. Look at that, fam. Can't wait to dig into this. Probably leave it for the 5 garlic. So we're just gonna wrap this up again with foil so that it maintains the heat while we go to church. Right? It's about 9:15, so I think we're doing really well. Right, fam, we'll touch base after the church service.
3 hours later.
Church done. Kope Friday. Alright, 8 mil koop. Ik zal wel zakken dat kan moest je weer, so it's okay. I'll leave happy. Alright, fam, so we'll show you guys our results. This is our super mamoi with carrots and kapisi senga that we did during the umu. This is our whakawhakapua that we roasted on the umu as well. Got our chop suey that my wife made with beef. Then I've got a bit of the mamoi here, about mamoi that we did going into our luau there, and also our taro. So a very nice Toonai today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. But yeah, I'm sorry we didn't get a nice chance to finish out the result, but it does get quite hectic towards Toonai, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Alright, fam, so we're just going to finish off the episode. Hope you guys have enjoyed today. I'm just about to head in and get some rest. I think we did pretty good today. We made it to the service, but I think we can do better. So maybe next time we'll try 3:30 and 3:30 in the morning and see how that goes. But again, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning into our channel. Hope you enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless. Take care. Stay safe. Have a great week. See you guys on our next episode.